are in the middle of nowhere. Plaza Rita Canyon. Nawawala na ang pinsan ni Giselle.
Nasaan ka na? Ano daw?
I don't know.
Halika na! Ay, ayun na siya!
Oh my God!
Akala ko kung ano na nangyari. Kinakabahan na ako. Diyos ko. Hindi ka kita!
Yeah, there's a lot of ano. Oh my goodness, she's
Hindi
up
ka kita!
Hihintay ko rin sila, pipicture ako. O, ayan, Kat.
Nakakaloko ng babaeng to.
Oh my goodness.
O, yan. Baka mukha kong pupupo.
Oh, maglakad ka.
O, sige, dito naman isang picture. Thank you.
Ay, nagpapapicture din siya doon.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, game Kat, tapos na.
Oh my goodness. On top of the post.
Di ba sabi niya bababa na siya?
Na. Woohoo!
Papadala ko kay Tita Alice. Lagot ka.
I'm gonna take video of that. Oh my goodness. Where we're going. Giselle, mamaya ka umalis ha. Andiyan ba yung bag ko? I'm just taking pictures. I'm just taking video. I'm gonna pass this thing. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go down. There. Wish us luck. This is the dry falls. Oh my goodness. Used to be a river. Now it's so dry. Oops. How was it?
It was fun.
Oh! Janet, say hi!
Hi!
Okay, now,
Uwi na.
jump!
Maraming salamat sa inyo, yung dalawa.
Jump! Oof!
Panalo ka, Has.